I can guess you're wondering, Justin, you had such luscious, amazing brown hair. Why? Why did you go blonde? Let me explain. So this all started out as a complete joke. And then 8 of my friends actually got their hair dyed blonde. And this is something that I've actually wanted to do for a while, but I just never had the balls to do it. But now that 8 of my friends have done it, it seems like the right time. But unlike my friends, I'm not gonna go full Pikachu yellow. I'm gonna go for more of like a light blonde look. Think Justin Bieber when he went blonde. Yes, just like that, hopefully at least. And I have never done anything like this to my hair. In fact, I usually don't even put product in my hair. So this is gonna be the first time for me, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the journey. So they put this face cover over my eyes here, that way the bleach doesn't get into my eyes. And then they put some like protective like spray on my scalp so my scalp doesn't turn red. And I think right now they're starting to put in some of the product. We're confirming right now that this is going to be blonde and not yellow. Okay, yeah, perfect. So apparently they have to bleach my hair twice to bleach it, and then they'll do a last bit of coloring to make it be blonde, not yellow color. Alright, so I think we're done with the first level of product here. And now there's officially no going back. I have committed to the blonde hair, but I'm not here alone actually. I'm here with 3 other people from my group. How you doing?
I don't know. There's a lot of talking in Thai, and I'm not sure they actually understand what I said.
Dan, how you doing?
Just another day in the office.
Step 2? Okay. Yeah, step number 2. Been here about, I don't know, 40 minutes. Got my computer out doing a little editing for you guys. But yeah, stage number 2. My hair is now officially turning blonde. We're still only in phase 2, but you can see the hair is not brown anymore. It is turning blonde. All the chemicals, very, very pungent smelling. They're putting tape on my beard line. That way, we're not bleaching the beard here. Yeah, feel free to put in the comments below what you think of me going blonde. Do you approve? Do you disapprove? Do you think it looks great? Do you think I should just shave it all off? Put it in the comments below. So I think we're just about done with phase number 2, and there's so much stuff on my head right now. It's actually feels a little heavy, like top heavy, but it's starting to burn a little more. The chemicals are a little bit more pungent smelling. I can't tell if this is the best decision I've ever made or the worst decision that I've ever made. I'm learning so much about hair right now. It's giving me a whole new appreciation for all of this stuff.
My hairdresser just said, oh my god, very strong. I'm not sure if that's good or bad.
Alright,
she's talking about my hair or the bleach.
It looks totally fine. So stage number 3, we're gonna wash out all the chemicals from the hair. Color? Okay. That was actually very relaxing. Oh my gosh, that is so yellow. That's just amazing. Oh my gosh. I almost, even though I want it to be a little blonder than this, I almost kind of want to just leave it ridiculous like this. Oh, I love it. Feel free to put in the comments below what you think, but I love it. Oh yeah. I'm getting double teamed right here. I feel like the lady in purple here, I feel like she's experienced, and then this guy is like the apprentice. And so she's making sure he doesn't mess things up too much. Stage number 3, I think, is just about complete. I think he's done putting all the product in. Now we just wait. Ooh, and ladies and gentlemen, we are done. Da 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 da. Goodbye, brown hair. Hello, blonde hair. And this turned out 100 times better than I thought it was going to. I love this. Take a quick peek. Super pumped about the blonde hair here. Again, put in the comments below. Let me know what you think. And I think that's a good place to end this video. So if you liked this video, make sure you click that like button. And if you want to see future videos of me with blonde hair, make sure you click that subscribe button. I have so much cool stuff coming up. But I think that's a good place to end it. I've gained a whole new appreciation for girls going to the salon because this was like 3 hours of just intense hair stuff. But on that note, the show is over. The vlog is done. I will see you guys in the next video.